Light connecting the future, intelligently connecting the world. Shenzhen HT Future Company Limited, the transmission engine of the hyper-connected era. With the advent of global digitalization, humanity will enter the era of artificial intelligence, AI. HT Future, with its innovative optical transmission technology, is building a hyper-connected neural network for the world. HT Future Company Limited, founded in Shenzhen in 2015, brings together the world's top optical communications talent to achieve breakthroughs in single wavelength 800G coherent optical technology. From components to software systems, HTF is 100% independently developed, serving over 30 countries. A national high-tech enterprise, HTF is already a global leader in integrated hyper-connected solutions. To meet the extreme demands of data center interconnection, HTF has launched the next-generation transmission platform, the HT6800 DCI box. With its launch, the HT6800 will redefine the boundaries of hyperconnectivity. The HT6800, with its end-to-end all-optical network and physically isolated hard pipes, provides enterprises with dedicated data channels with ultra-high bandwidth and ultra-low latency. Its white box design also enables smarter operations and maintenance. HTF not only pursues the ultimate in quality in its equipment hardware, but also boasts a strong research team dedicated to the development of its network management system software, providing robust support for stable network operation. The network management system enables online management and monitoring of the entire WDM system, performing data configuration, alarm management, and fault monitoring for each network element. It also provides graphical information management, topology management, electronic map positioning, facilitating rapid service deployment, fast fault location, and reducing maintenance costs. When smart manufacturing meets faster-than-light connectivity, HTF has become a secure and high-speed transmission link for numerous customers worldwide. HTF firmly believes that technology is a bridge, not a barrier. With an open mind, we are collaborating with global partners to build a hyper-connected era. Shenzhen HT Future, making every connection faster, more stable, and more intelligent.